The historic Mount Elgon Hotel stands as a perfect fusion of old-world charm and modern luxury. Steeped in colonial-era heritage and set against the backdrop of Mount Elgon, the hotel has been thoughtfully revitalized to offer contemporary comfort while preserving its timeless character.
I'm Caroline Aporo, General Manager at Mount Elgon Hotel and Spa in Mbale. It was established in the 1950s as part of the Uganda hotels that were owned by government, and making it one of the oldest well-managed hotels in Mbale and the eastern part of Uganda. Mount Elgon Hotel is located at Plot 30, Masaba Road at the leafy suburbs of senior quarters in Mbale City. In the recent decades, the government privatized Mount Elgon Hotel, which transitioned into a premium luxury hotel and a destination for tourists, holiday makers, business people, and researchers. Mount Elgon Hotel is at the slopes of the Mount Elgon itself, and it has a history that is so iconic about the colonial rule. At Mount Elgon Hotel, in the initial days or over the decades, it was established to host high-end visitors. Okay, when we talk about high-end visitors, these were the ministers, the presidents, the ambassadors. However, it has come through a long way that Mount Elgon Hotel now has a significant new refreshed look. And on this note, I want to thank Mr. Chimba Rashid, who's currently the new director for Mount Elgon Hotel and Spa Limited, making it one of the companies in the Brevard group of companies. He has refurbished the hotel with a blend of colonial and modern status. The services that we provide here at Mount Elgon Hotel are accommodation, food, drinks. We have a wellness spa, a swimming pool, a mini golf for all our clients that come to stay with us, and also those who are not in-house guests. Still, I would say a very big thank you to Mr. Chimba Rashid for the new refreshed rooms, because all our rooms have been refurbished right from the floor and to the entire furniture in the rooms. They look so amazing. They are so cozy, bringing out the luxury that actually every client would want. Our rooms are so comfortable. The beddings are so comfortable. They are very clean, very, very clean rooms. When we talk about cleanness, Mount Elgon Hotel is one of the most cleanest hotels in the whole of Eastern region. We have 30 rooms in total. We have deluxe room, diplomatic room, and junior suite rooms. Our rooms are very clean, very spacious, and with a very beautiful view of the Wanale Hill. The rooms come with quite a range of amenities, full English breakfast. It comes with a steam sauna. a gym. It comes with a free swim as well. We have free Wi-Fi in our rooms. We have complimentary drinking water in our rooms. You also can make a cup of tea or coffee in your room. We do have mini fridges just in case you have things that you'd like to refrigerate. The rooms have the mini fridges. They are air conditioned. All the rooms are air conditioned, and they also have smart TVs, making it easier for our clients to enjoy their shows while in the room without being disrupted. We also have a mini golf. Actually, Mount Elgon Hotel is the only hotel in the whole of Eastern that has a mini golf. We also have one main restaurant, that is Masaba restaurant, that offers a wide range of cuisines, both local and international. And we have professional chefs that prepare these meals. We have conference halls that accommodate seminars, workshops, meetings for different institutions like government ministries, NGOs, and private meetings. We do have a wellness spa, that is Kwetu Wellness Spa, that is well equipped with the latest technology in it. We offer massages. We have a gym, steam and sauna. We also have a jacuzzi in our spa. We do pedicure and manicure as well. Our evergreen spacious gardens with a beautiful view of the Wanale Hill can accommodate over 1,000 people plus for your functions like wedding receptions, team building activities, and any other activity, for example, having a dinner or a luncheon of over 500 people away from our main dining area. And here at Mount Elgon, even you can do your proposal if you have a loved one. Here at Mount Elgon Hotel, we have 2 fully stocked bars. That's the 1950 and the Roots Bar that accommodate non-residentials and residential guests. You can come and relax at our bars while watching your favorite football game. Chill and relax and have meals.
We are here at the Mount Elgon Hotel. I would say world famous because all of my international visitors and my friends' visitors come and stay here. Mount Elgon, before the renovation, was different class. I first stayed in this hotel in 2004 when I arrived. Even then it was tick. But then over the years, it's been styled up, renovated to become, I would have to say, one of the best hotels in Uganda, certainly in the Eastern region. Just in regards to full service, basically accommodation, food has always been first class. The staff are fun. They're real people. You can talk to them. They really care for you, take care of you. The gardens are beautiful. The swimming pool is just stylistic. So really, Mount Elgon was the best. This would be the #1 hotel where I'd recommend anyone to stay. But then in Christmas, oh my word, then they decided to go to another level. It has become ridiculous. We are no longer Premier League in Uganda. We are Champions League. It is, I have to say, it's just crazy what they've done in this place. The place is beautiful. It is genuinely international standard. If I was staying in this hotel in the UK or America, I would be very, very happy. They've upscaled the rooms, made the gardens even more beautiful, the dining facilities, just the look of the whole hotel, the feel of the whole hotel is genuinely first class, different class. I honestly can't believe that we have this hotel here in Uganda serving us. So yeah, if you don't know, come check it out. I mean, honestly, it is the best for food, best for service. The management are just so good at looking after their clients. Yeah, come down and see what's happening here in Mbale.
Hello, this is Nakainze Joyce at Kwetu Mount Elgon Hotel at the spa. You are always welcome. When a client comes in here, the stress will end back. She'll start feeling the love around. We give the best that we can, and I'm glad that whoever comes, they go happy. We have pedicure, we have steam, sauna, massage, and we have a gym and many others. You are always welcome at Mount Elgon. We do offer you services that most of you that will need after a long journey. It's a place where you can leave everything behind, like a stressful day. It's a place where you can relax. You're always welcome.
When you visit us at Mount Elgon Hotel, you can have a wide range of activities to do. That is the Wanale hiking. You can do CP Falls, all the 3 falls at CP. You can also reach out to the Mount Elgon itself, because we already have a very good rapport with Uganda Wildlife Authority. That is just 200 meters away from Mount Elgon Hotel. Then you can also go to the Sasa Trails. We have the Mutoto Cultural Ground, because remember, the Elgon region is known for its cultural attachment of circumcision that is popularly known as Imbalu, and the Mutoto site is about 100 meters away from the hotel. You can also visit the famous Piaupe, which is about 2 hours drive from the hotel, and as far as Kidepo National Game Park. As Mbale was elevated to city status, we have good night clubs for those who want to party, and then also sports activities. We have a cricket ground for those who love cricket, those who love tennis, and also those who love the golf. Any golfer is most welcome to Mbale.
It distributes that order to the kitchen brigade, depending on the order, which order, because in the kitchen we have different sections. Then he prepares and brings back again to him to confirm, to confirm and present it, make sure he's presenting the rightful order according to the captain order. My experience goes way back to 1999, and I'm lucky enough to be in the same place where I started my career. Since 1999, I've been in this place, and I've worked with different management, different directorship. up to today where we are. I'm so lucky that I'm working with the present director, who has transformed this place ever since I've been with around 3-4 directors backwards. But at least this one, I'm lucky to be the executive chef on this regime of this new directorate. And I want to assure you that I'm not complaining in any way. My best dish, I can call them my signature dishes. And one of them is I proudly talk about it when I talk of catch of the day. Catch of the day is a Nile perch fillet grilled to perfection. As you also see the presentation and all that, and very many people who have tasted it, they actually enjoying it the best. Then the other one is the chicken parmigiana. It may not be my personal origin, but I adopted it also from wherever. It is a dish of Italy, but Americanized from those people who migrated from Italy to America. So America has adopted it. It's now called the American chicken parmigiana, but originally it was Italy. But it is so nice, so tasty, so presentable that I also adopted it and feel it's one of my signature dishes that I can make. Then the other one is also lamb shank. Lamb shank. Lamb shank is a piece of meat of the leg of a lamb that is glazed with the red wine, and it has that tangy flavor that everybody would love to taste. Here at Mount Elgon Hotel and Spa, we are blessed that we cook a lot of variety of cuisines in the world. We make a la carte items, and the a la carte items we have so many different cuisines. We have the Indian cuisine, the Asian cuisine, we have the African cuisine, and in addition to that, we also have what we call set menus. We have to have set menus in a way that when a group of people come, when they want to eat a la carte, they don't go through all the entire menu. They are limited somewhere so that they don't give a hard time to the kitchen side to prepare all their meals so that the meal can come in time. That's the sense of set menu. Make sure food comes in time.
Mount Elgon Hotel and Spa is located at Plot 30, Masaba Road, at the leafy suburbs of Senior Quarters in Mbale City. For reservations, you can send us an email on sales@mountelgonhotel.com or info@mountelgonhotel.com. Our website www.mountelgonhotelandspa.com. Contacts, telephone contacts 0781 392 961 or 0709 748 009. So we welcome you to come and enjoy and taste the feel of a relaxing, refreshed new Mount Elgon Hotel.